Working on a 2010 F150. The guy that drives this truck was complaining sometimes he wasn't able to get the truck out of park. And so my first thought was the brake light switch on the pedal is probably not working, and pushing on the pedal, nothing. Once in a while it'll come on, but so the brake light switch is bad, which is bad for two reasons. One, there's no brake lights when he does get it in gear and gets it to drive. And two, sometimes he gets stranded and can't get it out of gear for a while. He's got to keep hitting the brake. So this is a pretty easy setup. There's that little paddle that comes over. Let's see if I can get a better view on it. There's a little bracket that comes over from the brake pedal. And this should be pretty easy to get out. Just turn it clockwise, pulls right out. Crazy simple. Let's see if I can push in on the tab hard enough. Well, either way, push in on that tab. And there's probably a bunch of dirt and dust in there, but there we go. And there it is. So, simple little setup. When the pedal is up and you're not touching it, it sits in that position, so it is no brake lights. When you push the pedal down, the plunger goes out and makes contact inside, which lets you put the truck into gear and makes the brake lights work. So this thing's like 35 bucks at Napa. Super easy to replace. Hope this helps. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next one.